Roofing tips brought to you by Hostetler Roofing. Replacing your roof on a budget. Do your research. Educate yourself. There are a variety of roofing materials and services, and it can be overwhelming if you're unfamiliar with all of the options. We are all about educating our customers to make sure they get the exact products and services they need. You can call and talk to one of our reps today or check out our blogs and our website. Go with the 3-tab shingles instead of architectural shingles. As mentioned in our How to Know When It's Time to Replace Your Roof article, 3-tab shingles are considered a budget shingle. Architectural shingles are more durable and can last up to 30 years, but they cost up to 50% more than the 3-tabs, which only last around 15 years. Utilize your homeowner's insurance. Most insurance companies will cover the cost of a roof replacement, depending on the type of damage. Insurance can either pay for a total replacement, but it may also just pay for a partial replacement. Contact your insurance provider to get more information about your coverage. Schedule your free inspection today.